check in. He don't double. He don't ready. Are you ready there? There. He don't ready. He don't ready. CJ is jumping. War is about to start. He don't. Who be there, though? Are you ready now? I am CJ. Let me hear you say something. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen. Are you here? Oh, Shakira, are you ready now? Are you ready now? Shakira, say something. So. I told you, oh, you don't know what's about to go down right now. Oh yeah, let me tell you, Legit, are you ready? Are you ready? Oh yeah, you're from Legit right now. Ladies and gentlemen, problem! Trouble! Hey! Now so! This is a battle between two idols, strong men. This one is CJ and Legit. This one is CJ and Legit. CJ, Legit. Are you CJ? Are you CJ? Are you Legit? Are you Legit? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? I want to tell you something right now. This challenge just started. Officially, the challenge just started. Everybody, got pressure. Oh yeah, listen. CJ, talk to me now. Another one. Oh yeah, now. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen. Come on. Just like now. CJ, say CJ. If you're ready for Legit, say Legit. I am cool your pressure down, Listen to me. I told you, this is a challenge. This is called Highlife Mania. It's a battle between CJ and Legit. One. This is just episode 1. Let me hear you say something. Hey. Celebrity DJ says, alongside Zuchi, Pedro, Zuchi, Pedro. Now we don't shout, we don't scream. We're enjoying the vibe. Are you not enjoying the vibe? Are you enjoying the vibe? Everybody say, CJ, we want to hear you, CJ. I say, CJ, we want to hear you. Let's go. Oh yeah, let's hear you right now. Somebody say vanity upon vanity. All these things are vanity. So let me hear your own vanity. Come on.